Hello, in front of me I've got Hogwarts Legacy on the Xbox Series X console. In this video I'll show you how to manage CAP frame rate. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and go to Options. Enter CAP frame rate and press it to enable or disable this function. CAP frame rate enables or disables frame rate capping depending upon performance mode. Enabled results is a more stable frame rate. Disabled results in a variable but potentially faster frame rate. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.